Hello students, welcome to Writer's Workshop. So I'm so excited because we've been working on our how-tos. We did our first page where we talked about thinking about all the supplies or materials you need for your how-to and then making a list. So if you have this kind of paper at home, remember, you just draw like a diagram, all the things you need, you label it, and you make a list. Don't forget to use a comma to separate the items in your list. Okay, so this will be the first page of your how-to. Now, some families may have had a chance to get to Key School to pick up the other paper that's available. So in the packet at Key School, there's this other kind of paper, but it's really the same. It's really pretty much the same. It's just instead of being this way, it's kind of like this way. Okay, so it's the same. You could still write how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You draw what you will need, and you make the list right here. Okay, so let's go on to page 2. It's time to think about those steps. So again, we did this in our past lesson. We even closed our eyes and imagined the steps of our how-to, because you really have to be sure to get every step in your mind before you can write. So how do you write the steps? Here's what you do. If you have this kind of paper, that's fine. If this is all you have, no problems. You could take your big box and you can divide it into smaller boxes and make a little picture for each step. So here I was imagining how I open the jam and the peanut butter jar to make my PB&J, peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Here I'm spreading it on the bread. Here I'm cutting it in two, and here I'm eating it. Okay, so you can just divide your box to write the steps, and then down below you could start writing the steps. If you have this new paper at home, page 2 of this new paper actually has a box and a place to write each step. So that's the example I'm going to show you today of how I went ahead and started writing about how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, so first I drew pictures of the steps. And look, these are pretty much the same pictures as on the other paper I showed you, right? Okay, then I have step number 1, open jar. So I went ahead and wrote. Now, some of you are saying already, oh, Mrs. Kilmer, you forgot a capital, you forgot a period. It's true. I may have some mistakes, but that's okay, because later I will go back and edit. Remember, at the beginning, we want to get down all our information. We're concentrating on what we're writing. We're saying the steps. First, I open the jars, then we're writing something. Later, I can go back and add some more stuff. Step number 2, spread it on the bread. Okay, so I drew the picture, spread it on the bread. Step number 3, put it together and cut it. Okay, that little dash line is showing how you cut it. And then on the next page, eat it. The next step I want you guys to do is just get your steps down, yeah? And make sure that you break it down into enough steps. When you get this packet, there is enough space for you to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 steps, right? Maybe your activity takes a little bit longer to teach, okay? That's okay. There's even some more boxes on the back if you need. So just to remind you of what you are supposed to do today, you need to get your paper, either your packet from Key School or regular paper that we use all the time for writing. This kind of paper is totally fine. And first you draw your steps, either by dividing the box or by drawing the steps in each box. You number them, and then you just start to write it. Off to writing.